Hey everyone, Tim at Nightjar Guitars here, and recently I posted a picture where I laid out all of my tools that I use to do fretwork on my guitars. And I had a couple of you ask me questions about what the tools were and how I use them. So here, let me show you each tool and how I go through leveling, crowning, dressing, and polishing frets on a Nightjar guitar. First, your neck. I haven't finished the headstock yet, but the frets need work. A neck level. This is a luthier's tool that allows me to see whether the neck has a back bow, an up bow, or is totally flat. There's notches for each fret, and so you can see the fretboard and the neck and if they have any bow to them. I like to start my fretwork with a completely flat neck. Lots of tape. The reason you need all that tape is you need to turn this into this. Well, that was easy. It's a lot of tape, but it's worth it to protect the fretboard. Sandpaper with a sticky backing. A fret rocker. Now what this does is this allows you to put this on your neck down here with the wide and see if anything rocks, or up here with the narrow and see if anything rocks, and all the way in between. So you can check amongst 3 frets to see what's level, what's high, what's low. A fret leveling beam. This is from StewMac. It's just a solid piece of iron with flat edges, and I've got my sticky sandpaper on one edge. This will ride along and level out the entire neck at once. I like to have a small sanding beam just for any spot levels that I need to do. And I also like to create a little fall off of the frets as the neck goes higher, so toward the body. Sharpies. I go ahead and mark on every fret so I can tell how much has been taken off. So once you have your frets leveled, there's a flat top, and you don't want that. You want them to be crowned. So you use this beautiful file from StewMac, and it's a diamond file, and you use that to crown the frets again once they're level. Then what you need to do is called dressing the frets, and you use little teeny files like this and a soft file here to gently round over the edges of the frets so they're not sharp and they're really soft and feel great in your hand. Then finally, my favorite part, polishing. I like to use a series of micro mesh pads to get progressively from 1200 grit all the way to 12,000 grit, which is this one here, and just progressively wipe these all over the frets so they become nice and polished, beautifully rounded, crown dressed, and all finished and polished, ready to go. So there you go. It takes a lot of really fun and special tools to make the frets on a neck feel really, really great under your fingers and play really, really well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing builds that we've got in the works. Cheers.